In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Google Chrome is not showing images on your computer. If you're browsing websites or searching for images and nothing appears, it can be frustrating, but the fix is usually simple. Let's start by understanding the possible causes. This issue typically comes from either your Chrome settings or your internet connection. So before changing anything, it's a good idea to quickly check whether the problem is with Chrome itself or your network. First, open a different browser on your computer, like Edge or Firefox, and try loading the same website or searching for images there. If images load correctly in another browser, then the issue is definitely with Chrome. But if images are not loading anywhere, then it's likely an internet problem, such as a weak or unstable connection. Assuming the issue is with Chrome, let's move on to the fix. Open your Google Chrome browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look to the left side and click on Privacy and Security. Now find and click on Site Settings. This section controls how websites interact with your browser, including permissions for images, sound, and other content. Scroll down until you reach the Content section and look for the option labeled Images. Click on Images and make sure the setting is turned on for Sites Can Show Images. If it was disabled, this is likely the reason why images were not appearing. Simply enable it and Chrome will automatically save the change. After that, go back to the website where images were missing and refresh the page. You should now see all images loading normally. If the issue still continues, there are a couple of additional things you can try. You can clear your browser cache by going to Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data and removing cached images and files. Also, check if any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, might be blocking images and try disabling them temporarily. By following these steps, checking your internet, adjusting Chrome's image settings, clearing cache, and reviewing extensions, you should be able to fix the issue and get images loading again without any problems. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.